Daniel vs. Paul, United States Courts of Appeals, 8th Circuit. Plaintiff Mrs. Doris Daniels and Mrs. Rosalind Kiles. Defendant U.L. Paul Jr., individually as an owner, operator, or manager of the Lake Nixon Club. Doris Daniel, Rosalind Kiles, plaintiffs and appellants. A Negro citizen and resident of Little Rock, Pulaski County, Arkansas, were refused admission to the Lake Nixon Club, a recreational facility located in a rural area of Pulaski County and owned and operated by the defendant U.L. Paul Jr. and his wife, Onita Irene Paul. Plaintiffs brought this suit seeking injunctive relief by defendant denying Negroes the use and enjoyment of the services and facilities of the Lake Nixon Club. This suit was brought as a class action under Title II of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. The Lake Nixon Club was located 12 miles of West Little Rock, Arkansas, on a 232 amusement area, which consisted of swimming, boating, sunbathing, picnicking, miniature golf, dancing facilities, and a snack bar. The owners of the club was U.L. Paul and his wife, who purchased the club in 1962 and operated the amusement area as a racially segregated establishment. The class action lawsuit was issued in 1969 to the District Court for the Eastern District of Arkansas to allow admission to Negroes at the Lake Nixon Club so that they can use the facility and the amenities that the club had to offer. The complaint alleged that Lake Nixon Club that the respondent violated the act in refusing petitioners admission solely on racial grounds. But in 1964, the Civil Rights Act was enacted and brought an end to discrimination and segregation such as race, color, religion, or national origin at public places. Lake Nixon was not considered a private club because it was a business that operated for a profit with no attributes of self-government and member ownership, and the Pauls began to refer as their establishment as a private club. Legal issues. Is this defense able to establish that the defendant would have discriminated regardless of the state statute? And does the operations of the Lake Nixon Club affect commerce within the meaning of the Statute 201? Results of the Court of Appeals affirming the findings of the District Court said there is no evidence that any interstate traveler ever patronized this facility or that is offered to serve interstate travelers.